best video games of 2024 so far. There's no harm in saying that the internet is flooded with a wide range of games catering to a diversity of users alike, with the most prominent titles stemming from world-class game developers like Ubisoft, Gameloft, Rockstar Games, and Nintendo. However, if you happen to belong to the segment of gamers with dwindling, not-so-solid gaming interests, there exists an abundance of must-try titles from well-reputed developers. The ongoing year is nearly half done, and Gadinsider is here with a list of the best games one must run after, for they're counted among an assemblage of globally cherished video games in particular order. Top 5 games to play in 2024. Tekken 8 for PlayStation 5, Xbox Series XS, and PC. Clash during family reunions is a very rare occurrence, but this long-running Tekken fighting game series revives back the confrontations between father Kazuya Mishima and his son Jin Kazama, along with Jin's mom Jun Kazama and other notable characters. Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown. In the latest iteration of the Prince of Persia, the side-scrolling of actions in a mesmerizing landscape is the core action theme of the game. This sequel lets you play as a warrior Sargon on a rescue mission to decrypt puzzles, explore his surroundings, and engage in fights using parkouring against countless types of his enemies. Paper Mario: The Thousand-Year Door Switch. In this paper-based title, Mario, the main character around whom the game revolves, is in pursuit of Peach. The sequel is the remake of the beloved GameCube classic, and while keeping all the elements of its inspiration intact, it builds on that game and its gameplay to offer more to new players. Final Fantasy VII Rebirth for PS5. The Final Fantasy VII Rebirth is an RPG game exclusively available on PlayStation 5. Unlike Paper Mario, it builds upon one of its own sequels, Final Fantasy VII Remake. Filled with engagement and challenges, it also extends rewards, as it has so much to dig into and so many details in the second chunk of the purportedly planned trilogy. Elden Ring: Shadow of the Erdtree. The last on the list is the Elden Ring: Shadow of the Erdtree, whose award-winning first base form came into being in 2022. Despite the unmatched popularity of the base form, the vision concerned widens so much that it seems no less than an immersive privilege to revisit and rediscover it.